Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Koctic Wi-Fi Extender Setup in very simple and easy way. The Koctic Wi-Fi Extender is a compact and powerful device that helps eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones by extending your existing wireless network range. It's ideal for improving connectivity in large homes or offices. So watch this setup video till the end. First of all, insert the Koctic extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. On your smartphone or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to a network like Koctic_EXT or similar, no password required. Launch a browser and enter one of the following into the address bar: http://192.168.188.1 or http://ap.setup. You'll see the extender login screen. Enter the default username and password, often admin/admin unless stated otherwise in the manual. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your selected home network, the same password you normally use to connect your phone or laptop. You may be able to rename the extended network, e.g., home network_ext, or leave it as default. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.